today? I hope you are doing great. Dear children, in previous class what we have learned? We learned about alphabets, small letter alphabets and also capital letter alphabets. And after that we learned about vowels, and next on we learned about consonants and also rhyming words. Today's class is based on about singular and plural, and today we are going to learn about singular and plural. You know what is the meaning of singular? In Kannada ನಾವು singular ಗೆ ಏಕವಚನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ, ಹಾಗೆ plural ಗೆ ಬಹುವಚನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. In the same way we can call English in singular and plural. English ನಲ್ಲಿ singular ಮತ್ತೆ plural ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Singular ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕವಚನ, plural ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹುವಚನ. Understanding? Very good. Shall we start the class now? Very good. Dear children, I wrote some words on the board, singular and plural. Now, it's a time for learning about singular. What is the mean by singular? Your answer is here. Singular means only one. Singular means only one thing. Or a singular means only one noun, or a one thing, or a one person. Understanding? Plural means many, more than one, more than two, three, four, five, or else group. Plural means more than one. Understanding? Or many. Here I wrote some drawings. Here you see only one box is here in a singular part. Now you can see two boxes or more than one box. Box, boxes, box, boxes. Next, here I draw a doll. Only one doll is here. Go this side. There are plenty of dolls are here. Doll, dolls, doll and dolls. Now you got to know what is a singular and what is a plural. Singular indicates only one or a single thing, and plural it indicates many or more than one. Are you understanding? Very good, children. Next we will move. Dear children, here is the lamp. So 1 second pause. Dear children, here is a definition for singular to plural words. While changing singular to plural, we generally add yes letter to the end of the word. Can I read it once? While changing singular to plural, we generally add yes to the end of the word. Understanding? For example, boy, one boy. B-O-Y-S, boys, many boys. Now I add yes to end of the word to make it as plural. B-O-Y, boy, only one boy is here. B-O-Y-S, boys, many boys. That's the reason I add yes for end of the word. Understanding? If you want to write it, please write it. While changing singular to plural, we generally add yes to the end of the word. Keep it in your mind. It is very mandatory to remember all the singular and plurals. Okay? Shall I rub this? Very good. I will write some more examples for singular and plural for better understanding. Trucks. Trucks. Just see here. I add yes to make it as plural. Truck is only one. Here many trucks are there. That's the reason I wrote trucks here. Just I add s. B-E-E. Bee. B-E-E-S. Bees. One bee or many bees. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Yes. Cats. C-A-T. Cat. Only one cat is here. C-A-T. Yes. Cats. Many cats are there. That's the reason I just added yes to end of the word to make it as plural. Singular to plural. Now you got to know what is the singular and what is the plural. Understanding, children? Is that clear everything? Very good. Now we move next topic. Dear children, here is another law. If a singular word ends with S, SS, CH, SH and Z. If a singular word, if a singular word ends with these letters, for example S, SS, CH, SH and finally Z or Z. Generally we add ES to end of the word. I will read it once. If a singular word ends with S, SS, CH, SH and also X, generally we will add ES to the end of the word. Understanding? Yes. SS, CH, SH, Z and X. Understanding? Very good. Now, I will write some more examples on this law. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S-E-S, buses. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S-E-S, buses. We are adding ES letters to this word. Make it as plural. Understanding? Next. B-O-X, box. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Now we are going to add ES to this word for make it as plural. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. One brush, many brushes. Now we are adding ES to this word for make it as plural. Next. C-H-R-U-C-H, church. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S, churches. Church, one church, many churches. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S. We are adding ES to this word for make it as plural from singular. Last one, B-U-Z, double Z. B-U-double-Z and B-U-double-Z es. Bus, buses. Bus, buses. Now you got to know what is the difference between this S, X, SH, CH and also Z. Okay, just we added es to the letter for make it as plural from the singular, isn't it? Just we added es. Are you? If you want to write it, write it. Children, see here I wrote some of the we add IES to nouns ending with what? Can I read one set? We add IES to nouns ending with what? For example, CITY, city. Only one city is here. CITIES, cities. Many cities. More than one city. Okay, just I added IES to this word, make it as plural from singular. BABY, baby. BABIES, babies. Baby, only one baby is here. In plural, many babies are there. Understanding? Can you say one more example for this? Will you do? I will give one hint to you all. For example, if you write country, how can you make it as plural? And which letters are come to make it as plural? Very good, children. IES is also come with this country. Can I write it once? COUNTRY, country. COUNTRRES, countries. Very good, children. You did a great job. Understanding everything? Okay. Be careful, children, while you writing, because sometimes we just catch for this. ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆಡ್ all the suffix and prefix. Next, some words are modified. Their spelling, spellings while changing singular to plural. Singular to plural. Some words modified their spellings while changing singular to plural. For example, man. MAN. How can you make it as plural? Will you add yes to this? For make it as plural, will you add IES to this word to make it as plural? MEN, man. MAN, man. Here is the only person, man. Here in plural, MEN, man. Many persons are there. That's the reason. Just these all the spellings are modified with when while we are going to changing singular to plural. Understand? I will write another example. Woman. Will you change it, children? Will you make it as plural? What can I write to make it as plural? What can I add? Now, here is your answer. WOMAN, WOMEN, woman, women. You can pronounce it as women, not a woman. Women. Woman, only one woman is there. Women, plenty or many women are there. Understanding? Yes. Now we come last stage. This is the last law of singular and plural. Some words remains exactly the same. Exactly the same. Why are we changing? Singular to some words remains exactly the same while changing singular to plural. Some words remains exactly the same while changing singular to plural. This definition is only saying about the singular and plural. They will never change their spellings, or we are never going to add some suffix, for example s, es, ies. No, never you can add here. That they are never changed their spelling. They never modified their spelling is also. For example, I write here D-E-E-R. Deer. This is the version of a plural. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. We never change the spellings. We never modified the spellings. And we never add anything to end of these words. Okay? This is a last law of the singular and plural. Are you understanding everything, children? What I told until now? Now you got to know what is the main differentiation between singular and plural. Now you are ready to bifurcate singular and plural. Now you recognize the words of singular and plural. And also you are going to ready or you are able to write singular and plural words. Will you do it at your home? Very good, children. Now I will send homework to you in your school app. Please have a glance on that. Please write what I wrote there. Understand, children? Thank you.